Hi guys, here another tutorial from a tool which I really like and wanna show you. It's called Minimeters, so let's dive in. So what you see here is Bitwig, the window open, and a window above. This is the Minimeters. So if I play something, here you can see all the information you need for analyzing your sound. Really cool that it sticks on top of the program which you have open. And there's even another one if you may have a smaller display and you don't want to have this, and it goes back to full screen. And if you have a smaller screen, for example, you have that Minimeters as plugins as well. So you have an oscilloscope here, you can change settings. You have lufts meter, which is handy as well. I mean, you have this also in the program itself, but just little helpers which you can analyze your sound a bit better. Then you have a spectrogram. And here you see the spectrum, so it shows you the frequency and the note. And then you have a stereometer. This one is quite nice because if you play a note here, and now I spread the voice from the synth, you can nicely see what happens. So that's another one. Then you have the waveform as well, and a combined one here. It's a really cool app. Check it out. I link the app in the description so you can check it out and have fun making music.